Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Hedera price prediction and Hedera news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Hedera in 2022. Built as the trust layer of the internet, Hedera hashgraph is currently a public network that allows individuals and companies to build powerful decentralized applications, dApps. It is designed to be a fairer and more efficient system, able to remove some of the limitations faced by older blockchain platforms, such as slow performance and instability. It raised funding through an initial coin offering, ICO, in August 2018, and launched its mainnet open access for the first time just over a year later in September 2019. As part of the ICO, investors were able to purchase their own platform utility token, HBAR, at the lowest possible price. The HBAR token has a dual function on the Hedera public network. First, HBAR supports Hedera services such as smart contracts, file storage, and recurring transactions. Secondly, it is used to secure the network, as HBAR users can stake their own tokens to maintain the integrity of the platform. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Hedera. Algorand, Solana, and more list of biggest losing altcoins. Altcoins like Algorand and Solana have recorded some of the highest losses following the market crash. This has been apparent in the performances of these digital assets in the past week. While the market at large had experienced dips, Algorand, Solana, and Hedera had led the pack for the worst performing coins for last week. Altcoins suffer massive losses. The crash, which started with the top coin, Bitcoin, had inadvertently spilled over onto altcoins. Most had suffered greatly, with the highest losses being recorded across digital assets such as Algorand and Solana. These cryptocurrencies had all recorded at least 20% price drops in the space of a week, and even higher losses across monthly records. Algorand had seen the highest losses with a 24.8% total loss for last week that brought its price to $1.35. The total losses for the month came out to 35.5%. Solana suffered losses of 20.3% in the same one-week time frame, along with 36% losses for the month. Hedera recorded 20.1% losses on the week-long scale, marking the lowest of the three, but saw the highest losses on a monthly average with a 49.2% loss. BNB also suffered alongside fellow altcoins, as did Ethereum. According to Arcane Research, BNB recorded an 11% loss for the week, while Ethereum saw a 14% total loss, underperforming Bitcoin for the week. The top three worst performing coins were noted to be LAYER1 tokens, which may suggest that LAYER1s are beginning to taper off in their dollars. Latin America, tipping point. The region flirts with and rejects cryptocurrencies. Typical Latin America. The region as a whole is having a love-hate relationship with cryptocurrencies. On the one hand, apparently, crypto remittances in Brazil, Argentina, and Venezuela grew 900% last year. On the other, Mexico and Peru's central banks are actively working in their CBDCs. Which way will the scale tip? The jury's still out on that one. For the sake of organization, let's go through Latin America country by county. Latin America, TP Brazil is clean and Binance once, and according to Chainalysis, less than 1% of all cryptocurrencies that came to Brazil in 2021 were used in some criminal activity. That's quoting Portal do Bitcoin's journalist Sayori Honorado. Chainalysis estimates that Brazilians bought $140 billion in cryptocurrencies last year, a number that places Brazil as the largest crypto market in Latin America and 11th in the world, she also said via Twitter. Bitcoinist also reported that Binance plans to acquire Brazilian securities brokerage. In a fast-developing market like Brazil, crypto can transform and facilitate people's lives, and as such, we believe in full collaboration with local authorities, that Binance has a lot to contribute in developing the community and ecosystem in Brazil, CZ said. Colombia, Peru, and Mexico experiment with crypto candidates to Colombia's Congress. Edward Rodriguez and Didier Carrillo manifested their support for Bitcoin in clear legislation. Sadly, elections were last week and neither of them made it. That's Latin America for you. Even though it's a fact that drug cartels prefer banks to crypto to launder their money, crypto entrepreneurs in Colombia and Mexico suffer the stigma of being suspected of money laundering. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Hedera, HBAR, a good investment? How much will Hedera cost in 2025, or how much will Hedera cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Our team is determined to master the strategy as quickly as possible. The value of Hedera hashgraph is expected to continue rising as scarcity tends to drive the price up. Please note that there is some risk to any investment. Just invest in what you can, before jumping to conclusions, and do as much research as possible. Hedera is currently worth 22 cents United States dollars with a market cap of $4,248,008,320, making it a 32 most valuable coin. How high can Hedera hashgraph go? The average Hedera hashgraph rate could reach 51 cents by the end of this year. If we take a 5-year plan, we calculate that the coin will easily reach $2.13. We have given an analytical forecast up to 2030 inclusive. Perhaps some of this will be useful to you. Hedera course forecast for 2022 and 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks. Hedera's price will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of 34 cents in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 30 cents, with a maximum price of 34 cents for 2022. HBAR rate forecast 2023. The value of Hedera will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. HBAR is expected to top out at 51 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Hedera's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of HBAR will be between 42 cents and 43 cents, expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of HBAR ranges from 42 cents to 51 cents for 2023. Hedera course forecast 2024. It appears that by 2024, Hedera, HBAR, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2024, we can expect the average rate to be 64 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Hedera's maximum price could be up to 75 cents in 2024. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Hedera exchange rate forecast for 2025. HBARs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Hedera, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $1.07. HBAR is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 92 cents, a minimum price of 90 cents, and a maximum price of $1.07. Hedera hashgraph, HBAR, price prediction for 2026. According to Hedera hashgraph's price target and technical analysis, in 2026, HBAR price is expected to cross the $2.13 average price level. Hedera hashgraph's expected price low is $2.06 by the end of this year. Moreover, HBAR may reach a maximum price level of $2.58. Hedera hashgraph price prediction 2027. Based on our in-depth technical analysis of past HBAR price data, the Hedera hashgraph price is forecast to be around $2.95 in 2027. Hedera hashgraph rate can peak at $3.58, with an average trading value of $3.04. Hedera hashgraph, HBAR, price prediction for 2028. The Hedera hashgraph rate in 2028 is forecast to hit a low of $4.39. Hedera hashgraph could reach a maximum value of $5.11, with an average trading rate of $4.55 during 2028. Price forecast for Hedera hashgraph for 2029. According to the forecast and technical analysis, in 2029, the Hedera hashgraph price is expected to hit a minimum price of $6.36.